All right. Hello, little dumplings. Let's do a couple problems together so that you know how to work through these, okay? So, we're going to take a look at this one right here, 66 over 7. All right, so there's a couple ways that you can do this. The first thing is 66 over 7. We know that no matter what happens, my denominator will still be 7. Now that's a lot of pieces there, 66. So I've got to figure out if all of my pies have 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pies can I get that are full pies that are really close to 66? So what I do is I'm going to skip count by 7. Or I could look at a multiplication chart. That would probably be easier. But since I don't have that with me, I'll just do this. So 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 28. 7 times, 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 35. 42. Oops. 49. Okay, that's not working. 56. And 63. And of course, 7 times 10 is 70. That is not letting me draw for some reason. 70. Okay, so what's the closest I can get to 66 without going over? 63, right? And that is 7 times 9. So that means if I just put 9 pies, 9 full pies, I've already taken care of 63 out of the 66 slices that I have to get. But remember, I don't have just 63 slices. How many do I have? I have 66. So if I have 63, how many more will it take to get 66? It'll take 3. And that's how we get our mixed number. Okay? We'll do another one. Pick which one you want to do. Which one do you want to do? Let's look down here. Oh, that's an easy one. These look kind of easy. Oh, let's do this one. 77 over 8. All right, 77 over 8. What's the first step? Step number 1, skip counting. Or look at your multiplication chart. Remember, it's my denominator that I'm going to skip count. And of course, 8 times 10 is 80. Okay, so what's the closest I can get to 77 without going over? It's 72. How do I get 72? 8 times what is 72? 8 times what is 72? I could count 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4, 8 times 5, 8 times 6, 8 times 7, 8 times 8, 8 times 9. That means there will be 9 whole pies that have all their pieces. And that's 72 pieces that I don't have to worry about. They're already taken care of. Remember, my denominator always stays the same. And now's the part where I say, well, I have 72 pieces, but I need 77. How many more pieces do I need? 5. Okay, I hope that makes sense. This is really easy once you get the steps down. I'll put the steps on the next slide, and then you can complete your worksheet.